Hello friends and welcome back. Today we are going to continue motion of class 9 physics, and we are going to derive of the third and last equation of motion. 2s is equals to v square minus u square. I have already derived the first two equations. You can check both of those videos. I have provided link in the description box. And today we are going to do the third equation. This is the graph from which we are going to do this equation, and remember, this is the only graph from which you can derive all the three equations. And we found that BD equal to 80 in our first equation. When we solved our first equation, when we derived first equation, we got that BD is equal to 80, and that this thing is going to help us in here. It also helped us in second equations derived, and it is also going to help us here. So now, how to do this? So first we will just do area of trapezium. Just a second. Yes, we will do as area of trapezium. So in the derive of second equation, area of trapezium was area of rectangle plus area of triangle. But in this derive, we will have to do area of trapezium is sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides. So here the parallel sides are AO and DC. This is D, AO and DC. These are the parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides into height upon 2. So if we are taking this as parallel side, then this will be the height OC upon 2. So I'll write here AO plus BC. Just a second. AO plus BC bracket into height is OC. So here AO is U and not DC, sorry. Here we will take height as this whole, because this is the area of trapezium, not only the area of triangle. So this whole will be taken, and that will be BC. So now into OC, because this is the height. These are parallel sides and this is height. So now upon 2, that will be written, this is U, AO is U. So here it will be U plus BC is V. See, here it is written V. V into OC is time upon 2. U plus V into T upon 2. U plus V into T upon 2. Here we got U plus V, first one. Or you can also write it as V plus U. So now here, what are we going to do is that BD is equal to 80. We have to find T. We will find here T. So see, BD is equal to 80. So we will write AT equal to, now here, what is BD? See, BD is what? BC and AO. This whole is BC. So here I am taking BC, and this is AO. BC minus AO. BC is this whole minus this AO is this BD. So that is V minus U. V minus U, that is equal to 80. So here we will write 80 is equals to V minus U. This was a simple thing, but it may take time to understand. So now what we will do, we have to find T. So we will make t the formula, and here we got our t, v minus u upon t. So now here what will we do? First we will change this v u plus v into v plus u. It is the sign of plus, then you can simply change it like this. We have to do this step afterwards, but if we do it earlier then there is no problem. Then what we will do, we will put v minus u upon t in place of t. So here I am putting v minus u upon t. So now that will be 2t, v plus u and v minus u. See, this is the identity which we learned in chapter number 2 of polynomials of class 9, that these are two squares, one is plus and one is minus. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. That will be v square minus u square, and here 2t is there. Here keep remember to write s. So here 2 and t is there, so we will write 2t. So now here is 1, so this into this will be multiplied. So wait, sorry, here it will not be t. If we are making t the formula, then it will be a. Sorry, I did a silly mistake. So many people do it. If you can understand it, then there is no problem. Even after understanding, you can sometimes do that. So that's why cross checking is required in papers. So here I'll write 2a, here it is also a. Sorry for that mistake. So now s into 2a, cross multiplying. So s into 2a will be we can also write it as